Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tech Avro. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you check stats on Spotify 2024. So to check stats on Spotify, you don't need to go to your Spotify app. You need to just go to any browser. So just go to any browser, just like I'm going to Google. Now just search for stats for Spotify. Just search for it. And here you can see stats for Spotify. Click on it, and after that you need to log into your ID. Log in with Spotify, click on it, and here you can see I've logged in with Spotify. Now click the top right this 3 dash icon, and here you can see recently played. Just click on it, and after that you will see all of your recently played songs here. So guys, that's how you can check stats on Spotify. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find it helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Take care, bro. Thank you so much for watching the video.